Homemade pear syrup pouch packaging machinery is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Packaging Machine Company. This machine can accomplish forming bag measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. The PLC controller has advantages, such as adjust length of the bag, the output alarm, speed, and quantity can control by switch. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.